This is an emergency alert. Today we are giving freedom to the world.
We have intercontinental, supercontinental, ultra-ballistic, ball missiles.
You must eat at least 3,000 calories a day and must weigh over 110 kilograms or we unfree those bum cheeks. Little bro, that means 3 McDonald's a day and 120,000 chicken nuggets. A surgery is now 20 grand. A bottle of medicine is $40. Let's test this. Intercontinental, supercontinental, ultra-ballistic ball missile. Oh shoot, we deleted the Brits. Just kidding, we did it on purpose. Let's free the world. America. Eagerly. Wages are random. All schools are now shooting places. West Virginia. Take me home. Country roll. Take me home. Ha 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 ha. The world is freedom. You cannot pass the space border. Shall USA bring law and mercy? Ah,